Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Okay, so all we need to do is to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on settings. Okay, now find the chats. Now on the bottom click on chat backup, and now under the Google account you need to select the Google account that you want to store the backup on. So currently it's that one. If you want to change the account, simply click on add. But first I need to verify. Okay, and once we are here in this bar, simply type your another Google account or phone number, and if you don't have the account, you can click on create right in here. Alright, remember that when you will want to restore your chats in the future, you need to use the same Google account. You can also see that information under the backup settings. Backup your chats and immediate your Google account's storage. You can restore them on the new phone after you downloaded WhatsApp on it. And also remember that when you want to restore those chats, you need to be logged into the same Google account on your phone. Okay, also below we have something called the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, but you can pick those options between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup mode. Currently it's set on weekly, and that means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's a pretty convenient option and I like to use that. Below we have option to include the videos. You can see below that 1 megabyte will be uploaded. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you basically create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise there's no possible way to restore your chats if you forget that password. You can also see it on the screen. Alright, so everything is selected. Now simply click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start. Okay, it didn't take much time because I don't have a lot of messages. You can see when was the last backup. You can see the hour and also the size of it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.